Coco, do you know what today is?
Boxycharm!
It's Boxycharm Day! Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. No, really. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, let me tell you, I was not planning on filming today, which is why I look kind of a mess. I was in the kitchen, random, it's not my normal filming setup, but I was in the kitchen going over the makeup and skincare that I brought with us to New York. And Coco wasn't really in the video, but she was ready to be in the video. So I finished and she's like, are we gonna film a video? And I was like, I wasn't planning on it. I already took my bra off. And she was like, I'm ready to film the video. And I actually have Boxycharm and Ipsy. So I guess we're gonna film those two videos today because the star wants to shine. Are you the star, Coco?
Yeah.
And everybody loves Coco. Oh, those are mine. Those are my lip glosses. I actually love both of them.
What's that?
Yeah, this is Lady Gaga's. I like this in my purse. When we were going to New York, I had to clear some space out of the purse.
That's how you're sticking that.
Yeah, 2 lipsticks. Let's get into the Boxycharm. When we went to New York, we came home and there was some stuff waiting for us, okay? If you follow us on Instagram, then you would know that we had some boxes waiting for us. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, then you should. You should. What are you doing? Why are you not following us? You should. Let's get into it. I was so excited. Oh my God. Today is I wasn't planning on filming. Let me just put my phone in my pocket for now. Okay, so I do have a little makeup on. I will link what I have on below just so that I didn't look horrible. I'm wearing 3 products, that's it. Anyway, let's jump into it. This is Super Bloom. Super Bloom. So, first thing I see is this Yanisa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. This retails for $18. This Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge gives you a full coverage, but skin-like finish, multi-purpose, reusable, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we got a sponge. It's a little, no, y'all keep taking all my sponges, dude. All of them. So we have a little red sponge. We're in New York, right? And I would go and get cappuccinos and they would play with the makeup. Well, Tita was going in and using my sponge for like foundation, blush, everything. And I'm like, dude, not the sponges, okay? So anyway, yeah, this one's gonna be my sponge.
Yeah.
This will be mine. It's red.
The purple one.
You have, we don't have a purple one.
I saw it.
You saw a purple one?
There.
Oh, is there a purple one in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a red one. We will try this out. Maybe we'll just use the red for blushes. I don't know. Probably not. We're going to put this in my drawer. Well, they're both my drawers, but on my drawer on my side to the side. Okay, and we'll try that out. But generally, I like Real Technique sponges, and that is all I use. Moving on to the next thing. It is from Cab. It is a lemon and lime lip duo. We've gotten palettes from them before, right? And they were pretty, I think. I can't remember. $39. Holy shit. $39? Seriously? It says, now with the juicy lemon and lime scent in 2 new shades, this lip okay, blah, blah, blah. $40, okay? I don't think I looked at this. I don't remember. But $40 seems a little expensive. What the? What are these? Are these glosses? So we have 1 yellow and 1 green. Lemon lime. Coco covers her face while we show this. There you go. Now I actually have to read it because I'm confused. What is this for? Instant burst of hydration. Okay. Someone went poop. Okay. Okay, so these are just some big ass lip glosses. Let's see if it smells like lemon. Okay, let's smell it. Oh, it smells like lemon. And then pretty safe to say this is gonna smell like lime. It does. Let's see. I'm gonna assume they're the same consistency. Feels like a regular gloss. I don't know, it's not. You wanna try this? Oh, you already have lipstick on?
Yeah.
No?
What is that?
Some kind of lip gloss.
I don't like green and yellow.
She doesn't like green and yellow, I feel you. And then we have this from Dominique. It's a Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. $28, refreshing gel serum. Primer instantly hydrates your skin, gives you a smooth, even canvas for makeup, blah, blah, blah. With the active ingredients of some word -8, I don't know that word, you will notice your skin hydration levels boost 6,000%. That's a lot of percent. 6,000% in 30 days. Packed with clean powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, some other word, a unique sugar complex, burst of hydration, blah, 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 cooling effect. Okay. 6,000%. I feel like we're just making shit up at this point. The packaging is cute, okay? They went into detail in this one, so there's that. It has a little pump thing. I don't know if we're supposed to shake it, but we're gonna shake it up. Let's pump it out and see. So it feels really smooth, kind of serum-y. I feel the serumishness of it. Let's see if it dries. We'll give it a minute, see if it dries. I'll probably forget to check if it dries. Okay, then we have this from It. It is a Air Hug Concealer in the shade 310. And it has a little pull thing. Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
It does actually feel hydrating. It doesn't really have a smell. That lip gloss looks good. What lip gloss are you using?
The one.
Oh, NARS? That looks good on you, girl. That's, you know, they're not cheap, but whatever. Live your life. $18 for this Air Hug Concealer. I feel like this shade doesn't look like a shade for me, but let's pull and tear and see. Cute packaging. This packaging with this burnt shade thing going on reminds me of... Oh, sorry. This packaging reminds me of a lip gloss that I got, and now I have to find it. Hold on. What the hell?
What the hell?
You don't say that, Coco. That's a bad word. Don't say that, okay?
Okay.
I was looking for the lip gloss. I can't find it, so there's that. Yeah, maybe this will work. On the box, it looks like it won't work. But let me find my staff. I mean, they're not the same, but they're, you know, we'll make it work. I don't know, y'all. Is this any good? I feel like, I don't know. Oh, let's put, that primer did not become tacky at all. Let's put this on top of it, though. Okay, so I put a little here.
Put a bit of here.
There we go. I put it on top of that primer. This is what let's cover our faces. That's what we're left with. I don't know. We'll try it. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna love it. I hope I love it, and it's, you know, I don't do my makeup and then I'm like, damn, this sucks. Let's move on. Complexion Culture. That's not complexion. Let's keep going, y'all. This is Complex Culture Pleasure Points Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. $42. Oh, she's showing y'all. You know, I don't know if I love this brand. I feel like we get this brand and it's just like, I feel like we get this brand and I feel like it's not like some great, amazing brand. I don't know, is it just me? Not gonna lie, I'm not, oh shit. Not gonna lie, y'all, I'm not mad at this palette. I'm not trying to blind y'all. This is a mirror-y thing happening. It's pretty. I mean, it's actually really, really pretty. Okay, so let's swatch. They feel creamy. Okay. Okay, so this is what they look like. Let's swatch them here. You know another thing that...
Like a winkle. Winkle.
This is actually gorgeous. Like, they are really pretty. I am not mad at this at all, but what I will say irritates me, let me wipe this off. What irritates me with Boxycharm is I went to fill out my stuff for next month, and I think it might even be a Luxe. I'm not sure, but I went to fill it out, and a lot of my choices, it was like, okay, you get to pick out of these 3 things, but the one thing I wanted was like unavailable, but if you go to the store, to the pop-up or whatever, it is available. So it's like, don't tell me it's not available when I can clearly go and buy it for it, you know, whatever price they're selling it for. Like, that pissed me off. I was like, you need to, Boxycharm, not that you're watching this video, but that's stupid. I don't appreciate it, okay? This is actually really pretty. I think if these work for me as bronzer shades, this would be a nice little travel palette. Although it's not little, but you get 2 highlighters, you get 2 bronzers. You could do an eyeshadow look with this, I feel like, easily. Especially if you were lighter than me and you got this, you could do a nice eyeshadow looks with this. So, okay, at first I'm like, I don't really know if I like this brand or whatever, but I'm not mad at that one. Did I not? Yeah, nice. Did I not look at that when I opened the box? Because I did go through the box. Yeah, let me get that. Put that highlighter back because that was expensive. That was 20 bucks for that tiny bottle. Okay, so that is all of the stuff that we got in Boxycharm. This was kind of a long video. Oh, probably seems like it's long because I got 20 minutes worth of filming here, but I had to run upstairs to wipe somebody's little butt. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. All those good things. Coco, tell them to subscribe. Say subscribe.
Bye.
No, say please subscribe to our channel.
Back to the channel.
And push the like button.
Push the like button.
Push the like button. Good job. Okay.
I'm not done with my makeup.
Okay.
I need to glue it. Try again, try again.
Ready whenever you are, Coco. Getting your stuff together?
No.
No, you're not? Okay. What are you doing then?
My makeup.
Getting your makeup together. You almost ready?
No.
You don't have to get all of it, like every single product that you have.
I do.
I don't think you do. I think you have like, I mean, you don't have to put your brushes in the brush container and everything.
I need this.
Oh, thanks. I can use this. Thank you. It's Boxycharm Day.
Okay?
Okay, you're good?
Okay?
Okay.
Brushes.
Oh, got her brushes. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, she needs these brushes. Oh, gotta get her in. Okay, come on. Whew, you good, Fancy Nancy? Oh, we both got pink on today.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just go closer to me, girl. There we go. Yeah. You ready now?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
I feel like you're not. You're still getting situated here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
on your side.
Oh, on my side. There's literally no room on my side. Okay, I just gotta put that right there. Okay? Turn your makeup around. Got your mirror over here. Is this mirror good? Yeah, good? We're good? Okay. It says, well, what does it say? It says I wasn't prepared to film today. It says, now with the juicy lemon and lime set, can't get it together. What were you doing, Coco? Oh, did I get you doing something?
Yeah.
What? What were you doing? I'm gonna see when I edit this video. Oh, yo. Yo, what the freak?
Broken.
Who did that?
Yeah.
I'm sure she did. The whole rest of it's gonna break out too. Watch.
I
Okay.
get tired though. Oh, I'm looking good.
Oh, you looking good, girl.
Put it on my now.
Oh, that was really expensive.
What is this?
Boy tears.
I want to put it on. Oh, a Brangle you too. Yeah, I'm gonna use it all day long.
Okay, so that is